In the world of drones, a revolution is unfolding. Hydrogen fuel cell drones are emerging as game changers in the realm of aerial technology. Why, you might ask? The answer lies in their unparalleled flight time and range. Traditional lithium-ion batteries have long been the standard, but their limitations are becoming increasingly evident. Enter hydrogen fuel cells, which can significantly extend flight duration, allowing drones to soar for hours on end, but it doesn't stop there. The green hydrogen used in these fuel cells is produced through renewable energy sources, making it an environmentally friendly alternative. This means we're not just boosting performance, we're also reducing our carbon footprint. Now, let's talk about liquid hydrogen. Its gravimetric energy density is a staggering 10 times greater than that of compressed hydrogen. What does this mean for drones? Simply put, drones powered by liquid hydrogen can achieve flight times that were previously unimaginable. Imagine a world where drones can perform extended surveillance, deliver goods over vast distances, and even assist in disaster relief operations without the frequent need for recharging. Hydrogen fuel cell technology is making this vision a reality. So next time you see a drone soaring effortlessly through the sky, remember the silent revolution powered by hydrogen fuel cells. The future of drones is here, and it's greener, longer lasting and more efficient than ever before. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, keep exploring.